I should take home this pallet. I had salvaged it and set it here next to these steps several weeks back. But I don't know. One of my coworkers kind of claimed it for shipping some stuff out later, maybe. So I figured I'd just let it sit. So anyway, I was going to come out here and pick up some more acorns. These things are everywhere out here because there's an acorn or an oak tree in the middle of the evergreens there. It's dropped a lot of leaves and a lot of acorns. What a teddy bear. 2023 teddy bear. Huh. I wonder who put that in there. Good thing it ain't like all yacked out on the bottom of this thing. I'm gonna have to get that out. Check it out and look at it. Let me see what's in this other dumpster. Omaha steaks. Those look like nice styrofoam containers. Huh. I don't have room in my car for those. If I had my truck, I would take those. Let's see. Cardboard. I could get the cardboard. You know, I always use my Honda Civic for all the long commutes to work instead of my truck. You know, because Civic's my economy car, I guess you could say. So I always drive it. But every time I come out here to these dumpsters, I'm like, why did I not drive my truck today? But what we got in here? Level. Nothing, just cardboard in there. Nothing really worthwhile. What about this one? Hey, yeah, a little bit of gunk. But I tell you, there are times when I just don't understand people and why they throw things away. But then there are times when I'm like, you know, why on earth would anybody want to keep that crap? But I understand this is like a construction thing here. You know, they're doing work inside. So anyway, I'm gonna take a walk over here to one of these other ones. There's one down here that company always puts some kind of food stuff in. I'm gonna wander down here and look in that one, but I don't think I'm gonna go all the way down through these. So yeah, a lot of these companies don't like me to have them on video, so that's why I keep it pointing down here. Pumpkin seeds. Oh, shoot. Okay. But anyway, it looks like somebody threw up pumpkins. Pumpkin seeds. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, God. Cabbage ink. Cabbage ink. So. You know what? I think I see some sweet potatoes back there. Oh, I see bags of sweet potatoes right here too. Yeah, dang it. Sometimes I wish I could just get in here and, I mean, a lot of this stuff would go great in compost, but I got my work clothes on. I don't want to dig around in a dumpster, especially one that's got food stuff in it. But I would love to get in there and get all these sweet potatoes out. Looks like there's some tomatoes or something down there too. Right there. But yeah. Is that an egg? There's an egg. I'll tell you. People just throw away some good stuff. Alright, got another one. Two more looking down here before I turn around and go back. Just want to see what we got. A lot of wooden pallets out here. Some of those, when the wooden pallets are up against the buildings, we don't touch them. Or I don't touch them. Box. Yeah. I just don't touch them. Mainly because they got security cameras and things out here. And, kind of like over there, they got a, their pallets are up against their walls, close into their buildings, and, they just don't want to have people come and mess with their stuff. So I don't. I just leave it alone. But whatever's in the dumpsters should be fair game. Oh God, look at that bird. Where'd he go? Oh, it's a hawk. Oh, it's a big hawk. Okay. Anyway, I thought that bird was coming down here to get me. He might have had his eyes on me. But as he got closer, I think he realized I was a little bit bigger than him. So he changed his mind. If I'd been little, that hawk might have come and tried to pick me up and take me away. Because that's just the way birds are. Especially the predator birds. That's why you gotta protect your cats and dogs. And children too. I'm not gonna dig anything out of these dumpsters. Oh, excuse me. Even the teddy bear. I don't even want the teddy bear. I do, but I don't. It's kind of like, what am I saying? It's kind of like, I don't know where that came from. Did it come from somebody's house that has fleas or bed bugs or roaches? Or even worse. Yeah, I'm not gonna. When I think of that kind of stuff, it just turns me off. It really does. Alright, well, talk to you later.